Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use peppermint oil for hair growth. Peppermint oil is a fantastic natural remedy known for its ability to invigorate your scalp. It works by stimulating hair follicles and significantly increasing blood circulation, which delivers essential nutrients directly to your hair roots. This can lead to stronger, thicker hair and even help reduce hair loss over time. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your hair care routine. Now, let's talk about proper dilution and application. It's crucial to always dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil, such as jojoba, coconut, or almond oil, to prevent irritation. A good starting ratio is 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil for every 1 teaspoon of your chosen carrier oil. Once mixed, apply this blend directly to your scalp using your fingertips, then gently massage for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure even distribution and absorption. For optimal results, consistency is key. We recommend applying the diluted peppermint oil mixture to your scalp 2 to 3 times per week. After application, allow the oil to sit on your scalp for at least 30 minutes before washing your hair. If you desire a more intensive treatment, you can even leave it on overnight, ensuring you wash it out thoroughly in the morning. Regular use will help you see the best improvements in hair growth and health. Before incorporating peppermint oil into your routine, please be aware of some important precautions. Always perform a patch test on a small skin area first to check for any sensitivity. Avoid getting the oil directly into your eyes. If this happens, rinse thoroughly with water. Remember, never apply undiluted peppermint oil directly to your scalp, as it can cause irritation. If you have sensitive skin or known allergies, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.